In this video, we'll show you how to send personalized emails through SuiteDash quickly and efficiently. Stick around because not only will we cover SuiteDash's method, but we'll also reveal some hidden gems that might be better suited for your needs by the end of this video. First things first, sending personalized emails in SuiteDash is a great way to engage your contacts. With SuiteDash, you can send tailored emails that feel more personal, and with a few simple steps, you can make sure each message speaks directly to the recipient. Now, let's jump into how it works. To get started, you'll want to open SuiteDash and go to the Email Campaigns section. This is where all your email tasks will be managed. From here, you'll click Create Campaign to start building your personalized email. Next thing, SuiteDash offers a merge field option, which is key for personalization. This is where you can insert placeholders for first names, last names, or any custom data fields that you've already gathered about your contacts. So, instead of sending a generic message, each email will automatically pull information specific to the recipient. It's a huge time saver and ensures every email feels like it was written just for them. The fourth thing is using the email templates. SuiteDash offers several pre-built templates you can customize. You can pick a template and easily drop in your personalized data using the merge fields we just talked about. This makes the whole process more efficient without sacrificing the personal touch. Next, you'll move on to setting up your recipients. You can select a group of contacts directly from your CRM or even import new contacts if you haven't already. SuiteDash lets you segment your email lists, which is a powerful way to make sure you're sending the right message to the right people. Now, here's something critical. While SuiteDash does a lot of things right, there are some limitations when it comes to more complex email marketing features. For example, if you're looking for advanced tracking, A/B testing, or better automation features, SuiteDash might not offer everything you need for more high-level email marketing strategies. You might hit a ceiling with this software if you're looking for more robust features in that area. And here's where it gets interesting. SuiteDash is great for small businesses and teams looking for a simple, all-in-one solution, but there are alternatives out there that can give you even more flexibility and advanced options for sending personalized emails. We'll talk about those in just a moment. But before we dive into those options, let's quickly cover the process of sending the email. Once you've crafted your message, selected your recipients, and ensured everything looks good, you can hit send. SuiteDash also allows you to schedule your emails, so if you want to send them at a later time, you've got that covered. So, while SuiteDash is fantastic for those who want an easy, straightforward email solution, it may not be the best for everyone, especially those who want highly customizable email campaigns or deep analytics. Now, here's the important part. We have an exclusive, extended free trial for SuiteDash, but if you're looking for something even more powerful and still easy to use, we've got some amazing alternatives that might be better suited for your goal of sending personalized emails. They also have free trials, and through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best trial deals and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. If you're serious about boosting your email game with the best options available, you'll want to check out these alternatives. Stick around for the link.